I am Jan Styczynski. I am National Consultant in Pediatric Hematology and Oncology in Poland. Dear friends, during Congress of the European Academy of Pediatric Societies in Vienna, I will present completely new insight on treatment of childhood malignancies. Cancer occurring in child is one of the most devastating events that will ever occur in life. It is devastating because of malignancy, because of risk of death, because it is disaster for the life of the entire family, and it is because of treatment with chemotherapy. Everybody is scared of chemotherapy. So the question arises, is maybe something better than chemotherapy to cure the child? Or in other words, we want to cure the child to increase the chances of cure, but to make it safer, to make it better, to make it more comfortable for child and their parents. The idea and title of my session is Tomorrow's World. So I invite you for the lecture, Will immunotherapy replace chemotherapy for treating childhood cancer? Is the role of antibody-based strategies. And once again, during the Congress of the European Academy of Pediatric Societies in Vienna, I will present completely new insight on treatment of childhood malignancies. Please save the date. See you in Vienna and online in October from 17 till 20.